Hello everybody, my name is Raihan Alif Darmawan. I'm in grade 10, Science 5. In this project video, I will tell all of you about the scientific song. And the title is The Color of Star. Do you know about the different color of star?
No.
So I want to tell you about the different color of star. Star in our space has many different color. And first, I have to tell you what the means of the star. Stars are sky objects that emit light. There are fixed stars and real stars. A false star is a star that does not produce its own light, but reflects light received from other stars. But the real star is the star that produces their own light. In general, the term star is a space object that produces its own light. Do you know why the stars have different color?
No.
Different color. Likely white, red, yellow or blue. The color of the star determines the surface temperature of the star. Given if is known, star emit light in various color. The surface temperature of the star determines the wavelength emitted. If the surface temperature is around 3000 degrees Kelvin, the star will be red. The star is yellow when the composition of the temperature is 6000 degrees Kelvin. At a temperature of 8000 degrees Kelvin, the color emitted is white, and if the temperature is between 20,000 to 50,000 degrees Kelvin, the star will be blue, which is very high, while red, orange and yellow have a larger wavelength that result in a higher surface temperature. The stars are objects in the sky which is very beautiful, but still stir many mystery in it. It all is evidence of the power of God. In second explanation, I want to explain about the characteristics of star. And first is distance. Measured in light years, the distance with a ray of light would travel in 1 year about 6 trillion miles per second. And second, magnitude or brightness, a measure of brightness of celestial object. Smaller values represent brightness object than larger values. Apparent magnitude, how tight a star appears to be from Earth. Absolute magnitude, luminosity, how bright a star actually is. 3. Temperature and color. The color of star indicate the T of the star. Stars are classified by T, decreasing T, bright to dim, O, B, A, F, G, K, M. And the third explanation is the life cycle of stars. began their lives as clouds of dust and gas called nebula. Gravity may cause the nebula to contract. Matter in the gas cloud will begin to condense into a dense region called a protostar. The protostar continues to condense. It heats up. Eventually, it reaches a critical mass and nuclear fusion begins. Begins the main sequence phase of the star. Most of its life is in this phase. Lifespan of a star depends on its size. Very large, massive stars burn their fuel much faster than smaller stars. Their main sequence may last only a few 100,000 years. Smaller stars will live on for billions of years because they burn their fuel much more slowly. Eventually, the star's fuel will begin to run out. It will expand into what is known as a red giant. Massive stars will become red supergiant. This phase will last until the star exhausts its remaining fuel. At this point, the star will collapse. That is some explanation from me. Thank you for your attention and see you again in another video. I'm Raihan Alif Damawan. Thank you and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.